Hi, welcome back. Another important session. This is very, very important. Sometimes you don't have access for this transaction code, but what exactly topic it is today, we'll see. Assume any one of the idoc status is successful. Okay, outbound. Assume that it is successful, but actually not received by the middleware. Middleware can be your PA system, any third-party system. Okay, so we'll have some systems called EDCOM, Gentron, or any third-party systems, PA or XI for that matter. Okay, so what is the middleware? Whatever the information you are sending, either billing information or sales order acknowledgement information or delivery notification, the information will be received. Once the information is moved from our system, it will be shows the successful status at 03. Okay, how do you check and reprocess after fix certain thing as a notification? You will get it in certain place. Let's try to check this. Okay, so for this, before going ahead, okay, I would like to tell, if you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel to get more real-time inputs like this. And this is my dedicated Udemy channel. Here, sales and distribution in plain English, it is explained so that everyone can able to understand 110 hours. And for idoc training, I specifically concentrate. I'm just trying to add this tip over here. All these are the different courses, including pricing and business partner concepts. I'm just providing these links. Around 20 plus courses available at my end. So if you would like to full utilize, you can utilize it by subscribing and learning. Okay. So it will be helpful for your career. Let's see the fix. And I can able to explain theoretically about this one, but certainly certain people might have access for this transaction code. The transaction code is SM58. Recently, what is the surprising thing? PA consultants don't have access. I'm holding the access. That's why I came to know this is specifically useful. Basically, this is the basis transaction code, but still functional consultants also can able to access it to check the connection. Certain times, if the information is moving from SAP ECC or S4 HANA system to other system, it is failed. It can be failed n number of reasons, but idoc can be 100% successful. So practically we cannot able to see, but I would like to show you, okay, the explanation so that you can able to check in real time directly. First, let's go to SC16. There is no current idoc setup available here. So let's go to W02. This is for idoc display. If you don't have this transaction, please go through my YouTube videos. You'll come to know. So let's try to put it the status as 03 and the basic type as invoice 02. Let's see. So if I take this filter out, I can able to get the idocs what are all created from the history. Okay, so now you can able to see all these are the different segments generated. This is invoice, this outbox, and this is what the port is. This is the basic type. Okay, so you have all these idocs. If you look at this, green status means it is successful. So that means actually idoc is moved from our SAP system to another system. What is the status it is showing? It is successfully processed at our end. Okay, let me show you here. You will have different statuses. So certain times if it is not integrated, it will show 64 as a status. Certain times if it is successful, that means information is ready to move, but actually in the middle, because of PA connection or else PA mapping or else XI mapping for XYZ reasons, it might be failed. Okay, all these are successful. That's why I would like to show you. But in real time, what happens? How do you check? Let me show you. If you go to here, just give the star here, or else if it is processed by you, give your user and your date. Currently, I don't want to, it's not a real-time system. Day-wise, I cannot able to get it. So if you click here, if you see here, all these are the difference. Who is the caller? That means who is created. What is the function module? What is the target system? You see, this is the PS one system. This is one system. If you come down, you can able to find. So different systems. See, this is also mobile engine MW like this. Different systems will be there. So maybe because of this is your RFC inconsistency, certain times data inconsistent, certain times mapping inconsistencies, 100% this will be failed. So how do you check? Okay, so I cannot able to show you for reprocessing. For example, this is the message. If you select here, go to edit. Assume that we got some issue actually in PA. it's failed because of XYZ reason. Like, mapping is not done certain times. Certain times what happens, the connection not properly established to pass the information from PA to another third party system. That could be the reason also. You can see the information. See, till reach the final target system, then only it will be successful. Okay, this is theory. Practically assume that in real time you can able to check that someone is saying that, hey, my idoc is successful 03. Generally function consultants are fighting with like a customer or PA consultant. If you all together in the call, you can able to open if you have access, or else you can pull the someone who is access of SM58. Okay, you can able to see the status. The status, see, even the idoc is successful also. Certain times if it is failed to reach the third party system, it will, or else PA, it will, the failure you will get here. Okay, generally this is the job from PA, but still you can able to learn additional learning thing. So you select this. If you go to edit, if you wanted to execute only this one, execute LEW. Okay, if I do this, currently the function module is not exist. This is, that's why it is getting error. If you see this one also, like, this is some other training people are doing some experiments. That's why it got issues. We are lucky enough to see the screen actually. At least if it is not reprocessed also, they can able to debug it. Execute LUWs means it will execute for everything. If you want, you can able to reset the status also. If you want, if you'd like to debug also, you can able to debug it. This is not our job. This is done by your technical consultant. Don't worry about this one. Okay. All these are the different options available. Okay. So let's see this one to reprocess. You will get different errors. Okay. That's what I'm telling. So this execute this LEWC. What is this exception raised? This is a different error. Let's try to check this one. See, all these are need to be fixed technically. Then only you can able to. Then this information is moved from this transaction to outside if it is successful. Okay. So let's check this. What it is saying. And this is also exception raised like that. You will have a different issues and different errors. So you can able to analysis if the information is available in SM50, that actually not successful to reach actual target system. That's what I would like to say. Okay. So if you have any doubts, see, just remember this transaction. They will ask an entry question certain times, probably like if you feel that I have 7+ years experience, 8+ or 10+ years experience, definitely knowledge matters. That's what I believe in that. Learn this. And if you like this video, please like it and please subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. And before moving ahead, if you would like to learn idocs full-fledged level, better subscribe this course. And if you are interested in pricing, a lot many courses available. You can try. I'm just providing these links below this video. More importantly, wherever you are, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, love your country. Thank you. Have a great day.